Today we talk about how can you disable quiz sound effects on your kickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, keep going down, come here to quiz sound effects, click in this sign or this color. IQC color is gone, that's me. Quiz sound effects disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.